Hola amigos, today I want to share with you my vegan version of a sandwichon. Sandwichon is a multi-layered sandwich that was invented in Merida, Yucatan, and it's a very popular party food and also during the holiday season. It's so easy to make. We are going to make la salsa pate, which is basically just cream. I'm using silken tofu instead of cream cheese, and it's pimento peppers, ham, and yellow cheese. Yes, yellow daisy. Queso daisy is regional down here, and it's like an American cheese. And we're also going to add some pickled jalapeños, a little bit of brine and sauce, and we just blend that until it's nice and creamy. And it's such a delicious, flavorful sauce. They call it pate down here. And it's so easy to make. You can even use it as a dip. Now for the bread, down here in the Yucatan Peninsula, you can buy the crustless bread already, but obviously that's not going to be available to most of you where you are. So all we're going to do is take some white bread and slice off the crust. Now you can save the crust and make croutons or breading with it. And to assemble it, we're going to take a glass baking dish. Now I'm showing you in the video, this is just one for me. The remainder of the sauce, I made one for my boyfriend who's a meat eater, but he even really enjoyed the taste of the sauce even though it was vegan. Now, so all we're going to do is we're going to create layers with the sauce, the bread, and then cheese and ham. Now you can arrange the cheese and the ham to fit the size of your bread. You can cut it if you'd like I'm I'm you here, just to make it fit better, or like just, fold it over and layer it. It doesn't have to be specific. Now I added more sauce on top of that. A lot of people, they'll just put the bread and then the sauce. You can do it however you'd like. And all we're going to do is create 3 layers of this until we have 3 layers of the ham and cheese and pate sauce. And then it's so easy to make. It's so flavorful. Now for the top layer, we're just going to cover that as best as possible, and on the sides too with more pate sauce. Now we need to let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Overnight is better because the flavors really come together, and the textures it just becomes a lot more tasty. Now once you have refrigerated, we're going to add a little bit of more sauce just to make it nice and pretty, kind of like a cake. And then you can decorate it with pimento slices and olives. Traditionally, peas are used instead of the olives, but I'm not a big fan of canned peas. And now to serve it, you can just traditionally it's served with Mexican pasta salad or spaghetti blanco, and it's so simple, super budget friendly. It's bursting with flavor, and it's such a delicious dish that you must try.